Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about the ClickFunnels Shared Funnel Plan, how you can get ClickFunnels for $19, or can you? So the date today is the 26th of September 2019. A couple of days ago, Russell Brunson of ClickFunnels made an announcement. They're changing the ClickFunnels packages. It's the first announcement of 3 that he's going to be making as part of their kind of 5-year birthday celebrations. And what they're doing is they're streamlining some of the packages. Now, as part of that announcement, as part of these new ClickFunnels packages, there's an update on the Shared Funnels Plan. If you don't know what the Shared Funnels Plan is, it was a way that you could get ClickFunnels for $19. So the Shared Funnel Plan still exists, but not really. So what used to happen, and a lot of people have made good money doing this from an affiliate point of view, is, let's say me, for example, I could create a sales funnel, a landing page, a website, whatever you want to call it. I could create a sales funnel, and now I could get the URL for that funnel and I could share that with yourself. And then you could use that and you'd get a special link there that would let you sign up for $19 on a very, very basic package. You wouldn't get much. You could only use 3 funnels maximum, and you would have a limit, I think, of 4 pages to each funnel, and some other limits around kind of how many people can connect to it. But in my opinion, it was a really good way of testing whether you like ClickFunnels, whether ClickFunnels works, how effective ClickFunnels is for your business. So I think it was just a nice kind of foot in the door and introduction, because the next level up is the basic package at $97, which for a business and for the benefits that ClickFunnels can bring you, $97 is still next to nothing. But for someone like myself that's just learning sales funnels, that's getting started with affiliate marketing, $97 can still be quite a lot of money. So this $19 plan, this ClickFunnels Shared Funnel Plan, was just a nice little way that people could get started. I could create like a bridge page just for generic affiliate stuff. So I could create a bridge page for a product with a lead magnet at the front, a thank you page, and then maybe an upsell or something else that you could add in as well. I could make it quite generic. I could give that to you. You could sign up, $19 a month. You could add your logo, you could add your copy, you could add your video. You could add whatever you wanted to that shared funnel. And then you've pretty much got a cheap way of using ClickFunnels. So like I say, they made an announcement a few days ago. They've changed the packages. So you've now got ClickFunnels Basic and ClickFunnels Platinum. And I'll create another video on ClickFunnels Platinum because there's loads of new features that they're adding into that. It looks really impressive, but it does come at a fairly hefty price tag. And what they've done is the $19 plan, they've now ripped it up, that's gone. So you can still sign up through a shared funnel, but you're signing up to the $97 plan, which I personally think it's a bad move. I think $19 gives people a foot in the door, it gives people an angle. So one of the projects that I had going was I was picking a particular business, a particular industry, and I was going to create a generic funnel. And I was going to send these funnels out as part of a lead magnet maybe. I've got a blog that I've created on this particular industry, and I was going to show how good funnels could be, how good ClickFunnels as a product and the training that they provide suits this industry. So I know full well, because I've got family members that are in this industry, that it's not necessarily a high paid one, but people are looking at ways of getting more customers. And sales funnels could be a good way of doing that, but I really think you're going to be pushed. Unless someone's extremely successful, I think you're going to be pushed to get them to sign up for $97 a month. These are industries where generally they're relying on Facebook pages or Instagram. So I saw this $19 shared funnel as a way into that industry. And then once you prove that it works, once you get them comfortable with the technology and the marketing and the different aspects that are involved with sales funnels, I think you could then upsell them and kind of take them up to the next tier. But I think there's quite a big gap in proving that point. And I think that's where ClickFunnels have messed up slightly. I know the argument against me because I've had that argument with people. Some people are going to say, as an affiliate, it's hard to sell a low value item. It's hard to sell to people that don't have the money, and that you're best concentrating on high ticket items. That's one of the things that one of my affiliate marketing mentors, which I'll put a link in the description to their kind of training. That's one of the things they teach, and I do agree with that, and I do promote high ticket products. But I think this is another angle. It's all about building up multiple streams of income. So as an example, I could have a blog, and I could base that blog on, let's say, the like work from home teacher, private tutor. It could be based on private tutors. So it could tell private tutors how to get started, how to build your website, how to get started on YouTube, how to use sales funnels to drive customers and generate leads. Now, these tutors will be doing this as like a side hustle on top of their main teaching job, with one day the dream and hope of getting out of the teaching profession and just running their own business as a private tutor. So they're not necessarily going to have the money at the start to pay almost $100 a month. But it's a way that you could use the traffic that your blog generates or your YouTube channel, and you can push people into that product. You can then upsell them and try and tell them how good the One Funnel Away challenge is, how good the basic version of ClickFunnels is. And when they're successful, when it's proven, when you've built that relationship and trust, you can tell them how the Platinum package is exactly what they need because of all the additional training that comes with that as well. I don't mean that in a spammy way. I don't mean that in like a kind of trying to trick them into it, because I genuinely do believe that the training and ClickFunnels itself is a great product. But I do feel like Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels are just missing a bit of a trick there now. They've took away that low entry point and a way that you could get into certain industries. All it means at this point is my ideas aren't kind of blown out the water and forgotten about, but it means that I'm going to have to work a lot harder. I'm going to have to think of how I can prove things a lot more, because I'm going to have a little bit more convincing to do to convince them home tutors, them private tutors. I'm going to have to convince them now to pay $100 a month. I think I've got my work cut out there, so it's about finding the right way of doing that. I just wanted to create this quick video on what's happened to the ClickFunnels Shared Funnel Plan at $19. Now, I hate to say it, the cheapest way you're going to get ClickFunnels now is $97 a month. I would still recommend it, but you've got to find the right purpose, and you've got to kind of hit the ground running, use the right training, and kind of really make the most of that subscription. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Cheers.